Okay, good evening. Last day, what we have discussed is like basically about we just discussed about sheets, spreadsheets, and finished that last time. And today we have to discuss about our new chapter, that is slides, presentations. Actually, so this also you have learned in your previous grades, but let's quickly recap the things that you have learned and just remind the things that you have already learned. So you can share this with you. You can also do this with me. Right. So there are different applications. One is you can use Microsoft PowerPoint for this, but Microsoft PowerPoint, you know, it's not a free software. It's a trial software. Partially free trial like a 30 days free trial, you will get that. It's a partially free software. It's not fully free software. It's partially available, partially free. 30 days trial like a and so another solution is you can use Open Office Impress. Open Office Impress is a free and open source software. It's free and it is open source. It's free means like you can get without any payment. Normally water වෙනස් කරගන්න ඒ වගේ modification ඒවා කරගන්න පුළුවන් හේතුව ඒක open source. It's free and open source software. Right. So I have done this exercise previously, I think, how to install Open Office. Let's let me quickly show that. But anyway, we have already done that. You can either use Google Slides, or if you don't have PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, you can use Impress, Open Office, or LibreOffice Impress. Both are okay. Let's download it. Windows only got like 64-bit version, is not on the 32-bit version. It's only 136 megabytes. Okay, let's install it. Right. Meanwhile, the installation happens. We can just move to slides, right? Let it install. Let's move to the slides. Okay, it's very fast downloading, fast installation, and it's free and open source. That is the most important thing. නේද? නොමිලේ පාවිච්චි කරන එක වගේම අපිට ඕන නම් modify කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඉතින් කෝඩ් එක බලන්න පුළුවන් හදලා තියෙන විදිහ. හරි පොඩි installation එකක් තියෙන්නේ. බලමු පෙනුම මේ වගේම තමයි. So this is Google Slides. මගේ ළඟ මේ Microsoft Office package එක නැහැ. Let's open this Open Office one also. That is called Impress. First, you have to run Open Office. From that window, you have to select Presentations or Impress. Okay, here from you can select either spreadsheet presentation. A spreadsheet is calc. එතකොට මේකේ එන්නේ writer විදිහට තමයි document එක එන්නේ. මේ calc presentation කියන්නේ impress. Okay, it last empty presentation or from a template. Template කියන්නේ already created designs. From already created designs are there. Actually only 2 designs, right? Here you don't have much. Only 2 designs are there. You can create empty presentation. Next. And then the presentation backgrounds are there. Here different backgrounds you can select from the backgrounds. Okay, I'll keep this background. Then asking whether you need to have effects. Effects means these are called transitions. What you see here is called a slide. Slide is like a page in a book. Kotaka pituwak wage. In a page in a book that is similar to a page in a book. So like a book has multiple pages. Book has multiple pages. Similar to that, presentation or a slide or presentation has multiple slides. PowerPoint presentation, it got multiple slides. Similar to the book has pages. And another important thing is here, book can be like these pages can be turned, right? First page to second page, then to third page. Likewise, you can move page by page. Here in the presentations also, you can move slide to slide. Right, slide to slide you can move, and that movement basically here you can move from one slide to another slide. So we can actually in a book there is only one method. No, it is traditionally in a book only one method is, but in PowerPoint presentations it is possible to do this with some interactive animation that is called transition. Here in Impress, they will allow you to select that at the initial stage. Right? They will allow you to create that at the initial stage itself. But later also you can add this. Here you can select no effect and proceed. And later you can add effect. For the moment, I'll keep no effect, right? Here actually it can add the animation transition. So after how many pages? So whether you need to automate the page transmission, that means in a certain page, you can stay for a given amount of seconds or minutes and automatically move to the next page, right? So that can be programmed or that can be controlled. කියන්නේ එක පිටුවක අපිට දෙන්නක ලද කාලයක් ඉඳලා automatically ඊළඟ පිටුවට යන්න කියලා දෙන්නත් පුළුවන් මේ automatic එක දුන්නා. Right? So then the entire presentation will be automatic. Okay, let's move to the default. Great. Okay, you can see. So then here in the screen, I would like to introduce some small, like I would like to introduce important things here. So one thing is, you can see the top one is called title bar as usual. That is there in Word also. Then you have menu bar. Actually, here instead of the menu bar in Microsoft PowerPoint, you have tabs, ribbon and the tabs. Then the standard toolbars and the formatting toolbars. Actually, in the tabs and ribbons, inside the tab, you have all these things in Microsoft PowerPoint. Then here, actually, you can see a small preview of a slide. Preview means like it's like a thumbnail. Thumbnail means small view of a slide can be seen there. And then in addition to that, here you can see some layouts. So what's the difference between templates and layouts? Template is already created design. Layout means the arrangement, right? So you should know the difference. If not, if you don't know, it's better to write down in a book, because other things, the basics, I think you know what is this and all. But anyway, I'll give that in the note itself. Please write down what is template. It's already created design which can be reused in slideshows. Layout. What is layout? Different types of arrangements of the content within a slide. That is called layout. So you cannot see this font. Let me change it to a different color. You can see once selected, this formatting toolbar will be enabled. From that, you can select any specific, and here in the up also in here also you can see that, and here in the properties Windows properties dialog box also you can see that. From either one you can apply a style, right? Either using this one or using this one, you can apply the style. Here actually here the white color is given. You can change color from this one or this one. I'm going to change using this. I'm going to give a dark color, as this is not visible otherwise. So please write down this if you don't know what is the template, what is the layout. Layout එකක් කියන්නේ slide එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන arrangement එක. හරි. template එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ slide එකට අපි apply කරන design එක. එහෙම හදපු template ඕන තරම් තියෙනවා. free download කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඕන තරම් හදපු templates තියෙනවා. Okay. Now you know about the template and also about the layout. Right, it's time to know about the slides. How can we insert? Slides are similar to pages, I said already. How can we insert slide? Few methods are there. Can you suggest me methods? If you can remember from the previous grades. Yes. So what are the methods of inserting slides? Yes. One thing is you can go to the insert menu and slide. The shortcut is Control M in Microsoft PowerPoint. Right, insert menu and slide, or Control M to insert a new slide. Or you can go there, right click and new slide. Or you can just go there, press enter. That will also add a slide. Few methods are there. Hari, or insert menu එකෙන් පුළුවන්. Control M shortcut එකෙන් පුළුවන්. මේකේ උඩ right click කරලා new slide එකක් අරගෙනත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේක උඩ click කරලා enter කරත් පුළුවන්. All these methods are valid methods of, right? All these methods are valid methods of inserting slide. Hari, එතකොට නිකම්ම enter කරලත් පුළුවන්. Right click කරලා insert new slide ගිහලත් පුළුවන්. Format එකෙන් insert එකෙන් slide ගිහලත් පුළුවන්. Control M shortcut එකෙනුත් පුළුවන්. තව slide කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා Microsoft වල. ඒකෙන් තියෙනවා slide වලින් ඒකෙනුත් new slide කියලා. එතනින් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Hari, all these are valid methods. And different templates can be selected. Here the title is in the bottom, no, but you can change that template. Can you see different layouts can be applied? But the thing is, in our selected template, the title is here. That's the issue. our selected template අපි template sorry template එක තෝරාගෙන යා template එකේ title එක යටට දාලා හදලා. එතකොට layout එක වෙනස් කරාට අර template එකකින් තමයි මූලික දේ. But you can do something, you can just move this up, right? ඕන්න මේක මේ උඩට දාගන්න බැරි කමන්නේ. මේක උඩට අරන් යන්න පුළුවන්. තියෙන template එක අපිට වෙනස් කරලා අපිට ඕන විදිහට type කරන්න පුළුවන්. මාතෘකාව අපිට උඩට නම් ඕන අපි උඩ ලියන්න. පල්ලෑ ලියලා හරියන්නේ. Likewise we can change the positions, right? Open Office Impress. Change the font color. Okay, these are the possibilities, right? Then this is basic. No, this is very basic. You know now how to how to insert a slide, how to edit basic text content, and how to change the layout. Let's think that I need this layout, title and to content. When I add there, here it's suggesting me the content. You want to insert a table, or you want to insert a chart, or you want to insert a picture, video. Likewise, the content it's suggesting. These are the contents available. It's suggesting us the contents. We can select from the suggested contents. Actually, or we can just insert from insert menu. Insert. You can go to table, picture to insert table, picture, table, chart to insert a chart. Then video, here movie and sound. So that insert menu can also be used. Insert menu can also be used, but the thing is, here it's suggesting you can use the suggested one. Click on this one. That is also okay. Okay, then if you have pictures in the, yes, you can use them here. Let me add this. And once selected, you can see the picture is inserted at the particular place. And other formattings, as usual, you can do similar to my MS Word. That means assign in a layout, change in the brightness, contrast, color mode, making it transparently, adding a line or border, giving a color to that border, right? Those are up to you. You can do that. That is basically formatting options. Those formatting options are available. Now you can see it shows a line. I need the color to be white, light gray, or maybe you can see. When you click on the picture, this appears. Similar to this in Microsoft, when you click on the picture, a formatting, as I think you can remember we did in Word, when you click on the picture, the formatting tab will appear. Picture format tab will appear. Okay, so you can do this in the Google Slides also. I said that in Google Slides also. Here you can see the themes. Themes are the templates. These are the themes. Themes are the templates. This is Google Slides or presentations, right? Then similar to that, you can insert new slides here. New slides, Control M, or you can go to right click, insert one, or you can just press and press enter. So you can see all the software programs, even in PowerPoint, Impress, Google Slides. Much similar process. Here you have the layout here, right? You cannot change the layout, but somewhere it's there. So you cannot learn software forever, right? Remember this, because you can't learn this forever now. That means, let's see, you are learning in 2020 to 2030. If somebody is watching this video in 2030, the software programs that you are using by 2030 will not be these. There will be new software programs, new platforms, right? So, but by that time, you cannot go to the class again. By that time, you cannot go to the class again and start learning. That cannot be done. So anyway, whatever you learn in this will be applicable for the newer version. So there is a way of doing that in the newer version, plus some new features. That's it. Here you can change the layout, right? Anyway, that's available, right? That part is available. This is in Google Slides. If you want, I can share this one, but you better add your own version, right? Just click on this link and then go to slides. Go to slides. In case if I use in mobile phone or some other device, you can go to slides. Click on go to slides, it will open Google Slides. Then click on a new one and start creating slides. Blank, start creating this. Or you can use Apache OpenOffice. Here to this one, let me insert a movie. Here, this file type is not supported. MP4, but it's not supported, right? But if you try with your version, it will support, don't worry. Yeah, this is not supporting. But if you try with your Microsoft version, it will support. Okay, let's create a very quick presentation. I'm not going to use this. I'm taking a new presentation, an empty presentation. Just create an empty one, right? A blank one. Then type the heading as beautiful places in Sri Lanka. Then let's insert some images. Okay, I'll then change the I'll erase this one. I don't need delete button to delete it. Then change the background color of the slide by going to the format. Then you can see slide design. This format, styles and formatting, background. What's happening? What if I fill color? As the background color, let me select this. I need gray color. This one. Okay. This, let me change the font color to blue. You can use different, right? I'm just showing you what are the possibilities. Then for this one, let me use a border. Of 3 pixel, color white. The background color need to be a bit dark. Background, actually, just need to fill that. We have to go to the format, styles, formatting, background, modify this one, right? Okay. Then this need to be changed again to, let's change it to orange. Yes. Orange, yellow, orange. Okay. Now I'm going to give you 5 minutes. What you need to do, please add 5 slides. So you can add maybe different places like Nuvarelia, Galle, Sigiriya, Colombo. Likewise, please add 5 places, images of 5 places. Just insert new slide. And in this, just write the heading, let's say Sigiriya, then picture of Sigiriya. Likewise, please add 5 places now. I'll give you 5 minutes. You can just browse internet. Let's insert one. And I'm adding picture of Sigiriya there. Let's erase that. Later I'll add that. Candy. Skull. Okay, I'm going to add few places there. Sigiriya, Candy, Galle, Nuvarelia, Jaffna. Copy image, go in there and just paste. Likewise, you can add all 5 images. If you wish, you can add the borders, etc. Okay, so I have added already a few places around file. Right, now let's add the transitions first. Then let's try with the animations. Right, first transitions. Now we know how to insert different objects, how to format them, and how can we insert slides. That part is okay. So let's do the transition. Transition means this to this, slide to slide. How can we change? To do that, I'm going to the slide and then go to the slide show. Here, slide transition. Slide show, slide transition. And here also in the Google Docs, you can select from the slide, you can select transition, slide transition. In Microsoft also, there's a transition option. Then different options are there, you can see. I'm showing the transition option. I would like to apply this one. I would like to apply this one, fade smoothly. Then here I can give the speed. I need to be slow. When to happen this? Whether to happen this automatically or on mouse click. I just need this to happen automatically. After how many seconds? After 5 seconds. Okay. Do I need to apply this to all the slides or only to this slide? Yes, I need to apply this to all the slides. Apply to all slides. So let's move to the first one. And now we can go to the slideshow OF5. Okay, I'm not clicking anything, just waiting. Because it should be, oh, what is that? Bad allocation. Some error. I think I missed it. So let me do here also. Can I get that back? Something wrong in my slideshow. I couldn't save it even. Yeah. So let me. Fortunately, I have the recovery option. I'm not sure. Oh, it's not recovering. It's not recovering. I have to start from the empty again. Therefore, I would like to go to the cloud version, which is very better, more reliable, because the reason is like even though we are like even the program closed, the saved version will be still there in the cloud. Right, let's go back. Okay, we have them. Just copy it. Going to the Google Slides, pasting. Next on. I just need to change the layout to title only. Similar way, you can add the things because I have like missed that. I'm going to add that again. Scan. Okay. Let's add 2 and try. You can do the remaining. Okay, the first one is transition. Transition is how you go from one slide to another slide. It is called transition. So that's it. How you go from one slide to another slides. So you can go to the transition here and you can see transition fade in. Okay, so I need to become it slow, apply to all the slides. Okay, done. When to happen this? Is it there? No, that is not there. So let's play the slideshow and see. This will happen with the click. Yes, yes. You can see it's fade in and appearing. With the click, it's fade in and appearing. Right, that is what the transition is. When you change between the slides, transition can be applied. Actually, you can automate. I don't know what has happened in Impress, why it missed. So let's try it again. You can try your one. Let's add one more. Add in the image. Let's see if this works. Copy. Or you can just go there. Copy paste. Right. Then the transitions. Slideshow. Transition. Okay, let's see something. speed is slow. Automatically after say 3 seconds. Apply to all slides. Let me save this first. Save as. Right here in OpenOffice Impress, it save ODP, but in Microsoft Office it is PPTX or PPT. The old version is PPT, the new version is PPTX. For OpenOffice it is ODP. Okay, let's play the slide now. All right, it's playing automatically, and I'm not clicking anything. Yes, the next one is also coming after that. Actually, it's not applied to the second one, right? This one is okay. This one should be automatically after 3 seconds. So again, the animation, the speed, let's make slow, right? Okay, now let's play from the beginning. That's not the first slide. Let's go to Sri Lanka. Start from there. You can see this is flowing. And after some seconds, automatically the next one is displayed. Right? That is what the transition is. Transitions can be automated or can happen after mouse click also. I'll give 4 minutes to you to try. Okay, the next is animations, right? Animations can be given in few ways. So let's take an object first. If you want to take object first of all, let's take a small object, insert, can get shapes or objects, anything, right? Pictures. Okay, let me add okay, let me add a tennis ball. I need the without the background, right? A tennis ball without a background. Let's copy this and see. Okay, this is without the background, right? Okay, this. Let's make it small. Okay, I need the ball to start moving. I need to animate the ball. So I'm clicking on the ball, then go to the slideshow, custom animation. Right, slideshow, custom animation. And here I can add effects. So different things are there. Here you can see I have which I have selected. I have to select the ball, right? The ball, custom animation, adding effect, flying. You can see. I can see slow, medium. Flying slow is also there. Peaking. Plus. Different things at the wheel. But that is not very good one for, right? For a ball, I think flying is good. Flying with fast manner. Click apply. Play this. You can see the ball appearing like this. Actually, so these animations will allow the ball to move. So this is not the slide, only the object. The object will move. That object will move according to the animation given. So you can give with previous, after previous, on clicking, from bottom, from top, from top to here, top to the ground. Plate. You can see it's dropping from the drop. Once drop, actually it should be bounce, 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 and so fast it is dropping down. So let's use medium. Okay. Once down, I need to add another animation. Add again bounce. Okay. So this should happen after previous. Now let's see what will happen. Play. It's coming down. Oh, here's the bounce. Bounce is missing. Yes, with previous. Let's put the previous for this one. Then coming down, and oh, it's not bouncing. That's the second animation. Second animation should happen, right? You can try. So let me remove that and add another one. Maybe I'm adding, I have to select the ball, add another animation. This time actually I'm adding fly in. Oh, I can even give yeah, I can even give rise up is there, right? Rise up, what will happen? Rise up. It's going now. So let's play it now. And down. Play. Oh, the second one is not appearing. So there are some errors in this. Maybe you can try with your one after previous, because I have given two styles. Then after the previous animation, the other should happen. So let's play the slideshow. Sometimes it will happen with the slideshow. The ball is coming down now. It's missing. It's coming down, should go here actually. Should go bottom. Further. Actually, the position need to be changed, right? Should go beyond here. Then let's slideshow. And you can see it's bouncing, right? Maybe you can it's like move little up, just speed up very fast. Now slideshow. Okay, there's an interesting one called motion path. Motion path. I'm not sure whether it's available in OpenOffice. Motion path. Oh, here, motion path. So this is interesting. This is interesting means like you can give a custom motion path. Is there any custom one that I can draw? Curve is down. No. Special zigzag, curve right. Freeform line here. Freeform line. So let me draw a line. Okay, I'll be able to draw a line now. Okay, from here to here to here to here to here. Right, see here when I play, and it goes this way. Right, that is motion paths. Let me start with here. I'm just doing it again. I'm removing all the animations. Remove this, remove this, and remove this. If you are doing it Microsoft, if you want to share, you can do it. But the thing is, you are not sharing when I give the chances. That's why I'm not asking. But now you can ask if you need. You can ask. You can raise your hand and ask to share. Then I can allow you to do so. Because previously I have asked, you have not taken the chances. Now I'm not going to ask. If you ask only, I will give you the chance. Now you have to ask first. So let's keep the ball here. I'm keeping it here. Now add in a motion path, a free form line. And this need to be done slow. Okay. So what is the motion path? I'm drawing a path from here and here and here. That's it. Let's see. You can see ball is going. Oh, I have to play the show, I think. So here, let's start with the previous slideshow. Can see ball is moving, right? That's it. Starting and moving to the corner according to the given path. Right. So we have learned few things today. We learned how to format, how to add objects, how to animate it, how to move it. Right? How to move using motion paths. Yes, now we have proper idea about that. And finally, before we wind up, let's insert action buttons. If they are objects, no. Right. Tools. Oh, custom buttons. I think the action buttons not in the Impress, it seems. Impress. How can we add action buttons? It's there, should be there, but But drawing shape is also not available, right? So where's the drawing menu? Did you see it somewhere? I think I have to draw in another and get it to this. Okay, let's draw the line tool. I'm not sure this drawing. Insert. No, nothing is there. I think I had used this line tool is there, but shape tool, line styles are there. Oh, arrow keys, here are some shapes. I think it's added to the tools. This is chart, slide layout, color, fill, shadow. Okay, let's use the arrows, and using arrows or just use the line tool to draw a shape. Here you can see the shapes are in the bottom. When you are selecting the line there, the shapes are in the bottom, right? Okay, so let me add action button using the shape. Right. Then I'm going to draw a button here. Let's select a nice button. Basic shapes. No, not this. Even this. No. Well, let's try with the smileys. Right, let's try with the smileys. I'm drawing this one. When I click on this, I just need to go to the home. I'm editing the text inside that and putting something, say, let's put something like home. You can insert shape using presentation, right? PowerPoint. Just increase the size a little. Oh, not that. Only that size. Oh, I got it. Blue lines. Okay, when I click on the home button, I need to go to the first page. Right, I can go to this, right click, and then I can go to the interactions. Right. So remember, right click and then interactions. Actually, in Microsoft version, you have something called link. You can interact to the first slide. Go to first slide. Click OK. So let's play this from the beginning. Now, slideshow. You can see the first slide. You can see the second slide after the first slide. Then after some time, let's move into the third slide. There you can see nice animation of bouncing ball. You have something called home. And you click, when you go there, you can see a hand, right? When you go there, you can see a hand. Actually, it's limited amount of time. When you click this, it's going back to the home. So those are called action buttons. How we did that? We just inserted a shape from here, then right click, then actually link, or you can see interaction. From that, I have selected what I want to do. Go to the first slide. Likewise, you can control the slide flow using this action button. So what to do, what to animate, what to happen can be programmed to these buttons. Okay, with that, actually, we have covered everything. So this is a small chapter because we have learned from the previous chapters. Next day, I'll be discussing about our last lesson, which is databases. Okay, good night then. See you next week.